The wow signal. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio detected one of the strangest signals ever recorded from space. It lasted only 72 seconds, but it was so unusually strong that astronomer Jerry Eman circled the data printout and wrote one word beside it: wow. The signal appeared to come from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation and matched what scientists expected an artificial transmission might look like. The terrifying part is that it never appeared again. Decades of searching have failed to find a second signal like it. Some researchers think it may have been caused by a natural cosmic event nobody understands yet, while others believe it could have been an accidental transmission from an advanced civilization. Either way, humanity captured something in deep space that still refuses to explain itself. Fast radio bursts. Imagine a signal so powerful that, in a fraction of a second, it releases more energy than the sun does in days. That's exactly what fast radio bursts are. Scientists first discovered them accidentally in 2007, and ever since then, these strange bursts have been appearing randomly across the universe. Some happen only once and vanish forever, while others repeat in mysterious patterns. One repeating signal became especially disturbing because it seemed to follow a precise cycle, almost like a machine turning on and off. The true source remains unknown. Some theories suggest collapsing stars or magnetars, but none fully explain the strange timing and intensity. Every time astronomers detect one, it feels like the universe is sending a message nobody knows how to decode. The Black Knight Signal. For decades, conspiracy theories have surrounded a mysterious object supposedly orbiting Earth called the Black Knight satellite. The story began after strange radio echoes were detected in the early 1900s by inventor Nikola Tesla. Later, unusual signals and unexplained images from space missions fueled the legend even further. Some people became convinced that an ancient alien satellite has been silently monitoring Earth for thousands of years. Scientists argue that most evidence can be explained by space debris and distorted radio signals, but the myth refuses to die because of how eerie the coincidences feel. Grainy images of dark objects floating in orbit continue spreading online, keeping the mystery alive. Even today, the idea that something unknown may already be watching us from space deeply unsettles people. SHGB 02+14A signal. In 2003, scientists participating in the SETI project detected a strange radio signal coming from a location between the Pisces and Aries constellations. The signal was unusual enough to immediately attract attention because it fell within the exact frequency range many researchers believe intelligent civilizations might use to communicate. Unlike random cosmic noise, this transmission had characteristics that seemed oddly deliberate. The signal was named SHGB 02+14A, a technical label that sounds almost robotic itself. Follow-up investigations failed to determine its source, and no clear explanation has ever fully satisfied scientists. Some experts think it may have originated from a distant astronomical object behaving unpredictably, while others admit the mystery remains open. The unsettling part is how perfectly it matched expectations for something artificial without ever revealing its true origin. The Lorimer Burst. In 2001, astronomers studying old telescope data discovered a single massive radio burst, unlike anything ever seen before. It became known as the Lorimer Burst, and it appeared to come from billions of light years away. The signal was incredibly bright, impossibly short, and completely unexpected. At first, scientists doubted it was even real, because nothing known in space could produce such an intense flash. But over time, more similar bursts started appearing across the universe, proving the phenomenon was genuine. The terrifying implication was that violent cosmic events, powerful enough to shake entire galaxies, were happening constantly without humanity ever noticing. Some researchers now believe these bursts may originate from exotic objects